Samsung's Galaxy S series is known for offering a range of standard and online exclusive color options, with one color typically chosen each year to represent each model. According to a new report via @UniverseIce, Samsung has selected blue as the signature color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, set to debut next month. Earlier this year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was showcased in promotional materials in a titanium gray color. With the switch to blue, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to add a vibrant touch to the stage at the upcoming Unpacked event. Additionally, reliable tipster Ice Universe, via @JukanLawsReeve, has revealed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature Qi 2 wireless charging support. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch early next year, will reportedly come in 3 storage and RAM variants. Leaks suggest that Samsung is boosting the RAM capacity compared to the S24 Ultra, likely to support on-device AI features. According to JukanLawsReeve, the 3 configurations are to 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage, 16 GB of RAM with 1 TB of storage. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5 major upgrades over the S24 Ultra. 1. Overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite. In October, Qualcomm introduced the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which Samsung will use in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, set for a January 2025 release. This latest chipset features the Qualcomm Oryon CPU, along with improved GPU and NPU performance. Additionally, the fabrication process has seen enhancements compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Early benchmark tests show impressive performance, even rivaling the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Revamped design philosophy. Starting with the S22 Ultra, Samsung adopted a boxy, note-like design, moving away from the rounded corners of previous S Ultra models. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is shifting once again, but this time to slightly rounded corners for better handling. While the design will retain the elegance of the S24 Ultra, the frame will smoothly connect to the back panel, offering a more comfortable feel without sharp edges. 3. Improved OLED with M13 Plus material set. The Galaxy S24 Ultra faced issues with grainy display textures on its OLED screen, which affected visibility. While it used an M13 material set, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature an upgraded M13 Plus OLED. This change should resolve the grainy display issues, offering a clearer and more vibrant viewing experience on the flagship. 4. 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. While many were hoping for an upgrade to the zoom camera, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera using the Samsung ISOCELL JN3 sensor with a 0.7 nm pixel size. 5. Increased RAM options. The Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a maximum of 12 GB of RAM, but the S25 Ultra will come with both 12 GB and 16 GB options. While the exact configurations are still unclear, the 1 TB storage model might be paired with the 16 GB RAM option. This upgrade will allow for faster processing, improved gaming experiences, and seamless multitasking. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 series in late January 2025, with an official Unpacked event likely happening in early to mid-January. The release may begin in the first week of February. Due to the increased cost of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a price hike across all models is anticipated. However, Samsung is working to minimize this impact by cutting costs on the display and camera sensors. The color options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra have been revealed through a listing on a spare parts website. This comes shortly after similar listings for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appeared on the same site. The parts in question are SIM card trays for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which are available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. These align with previously rumored color options. While reports suggest there might also be online exclusive colors, they are not included in this listing. Leaks of Samsung's upcoming smartphones and screenshots of the next version of One UI running on these devices are rare, but that's exactly what has surfaced this time. Images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra paired with screenshots of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 from the same device were shared on Reddit by user GamingMK as reported by Android Authority. While we had an early look at One UI 7.0 on a Galaxy S24 Ultra in October, offering a glimpse of its features, it's exciting to see how this major software update will appear on Samsung's next flagship model. Here's the first official hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The video posted on Reddit is titled Galaxy S24 Ultra Definitely, but the device shown features the rumored rounded corner design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This leak has been confirmed by the well-known tipster Ice Universe on X, who verified that the device in the clip is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another prominent leaker, ChunVN888, has also confirmed that the phone shown is the real Galaxy S25 Ultra. The leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra unit, which appears to have a glossy metallic finish, has noticeably rounded corners, contrasting with the sharper edges of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The phone's signature camera setup is visible on the back, but curiously, the rumored camera rings surrounding the lenses are not present. Recent leaks from Technizo Concept chase the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 4 striking color options: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. Although no official photos of the device have surfaced, a new leak provides a closer look through dummy unit images shared on X by @JukenLosRay. These images offer a fairly accurate preview of the S25 Ultra's design. Dummy units versus real device. Interestingly, @MaxJambi has commented that the dummy units look horrible compared to the real product and confirmed differences in the camera ring design. While these dummy units suggest design elements such as a flat frame and slightly rounder corners, resembling a square version of the Galaxy S24 base and Plus models, they may not fully represent the final product. Design highlights. The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to feature a flat display without curved edges, along with a camera setup reminiscent of the S24 Ultra. However, earlier rumors suggested that the S25 Ultra's camera rings would adopt the ridged design seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This detail is missing in the dummy images, raising questions about their accuracy or the validity of previous reports. Color and technology. Features. The dummy units might have revealed a glimpse of what 2 Galaxy S25 Ultra colors will look like in real life. Additionally, tipster JukenLosRay has claimed that the Galaxy S25 series will include Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0 technology. This feature could elevate gaming experiences by interpolating frame rates, enabling games locked at 60 Hz or 60 FPS to run smoothly at 120 Hz or 120 FPS. While these leaks provide valuable insights into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, finer details about its design and features remain speculative until official confirmations or more accurate leaks emerge.
The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been generating excitement, with talk of its enhanced design and the impressive performance expected from the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. According to DSCC CEO Ross Young via @DSCC Ross and Samsung's material suppliers, Samsung has opted for M13 generation OLED materials for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display rather than the higher-grade M14 options. Although Samsung Display already produces OLED panels with M14 materials for devices such as the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, the Samsung MX Mobile Experience division won't benefit from this advanced display technology due to cost-saving measures. Conversely, some sources suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display will outperform that of the S24 Ultra. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.